back to Keyboard Surface. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a bouncing ball animation in PowerPoint. First of all, go to PowerPoint and then select a blank slide. Here, you also have to delete the remaining slides. Now you have to go to Insert and then go to Clip Art. Here, you have to search for stairs 2D. Now you can take any of these stairs. Let's choose this one. You have to resize the image. Now you have to search for a ball. Here we search for it. So we are choosing this ball and this ball has a shadow. First of all, we need to remove that. To do that, just go to group and ungroup and then go yes. Now double click on the shadow and then just cut it. Now you have a plain ball. Decrease its size and give a frame to the stair. Now you have to select the ball and then go to animation and then go to custom animation. Now go to motion paths and then go to draw custom path and then curve. Now you have to draw a path for the ball to fall. Let's make for it. So now you can see that we have a path. Here, to check if the path is fine, you can just click. And now you have to go to the here and decrease its speed to very slow. Now you have to set this start to with previous. Now you can give it a nice design like this and set its transaction speed to slow. To decorate this animation, we can give a title slide. And we can also choose a design, let's say this one. Now we can give it a design like bouncing ball animation. Now you can also give a picture here of bouncing ball. Yeah, this one. Here you can increase its size. Now you can go to slideshow to view your animation. As you can see that our animation is working. So this was it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, smash that like button and stay tuned for more content. Bye till then.